Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of money and relationships. We all know money plays a significant role in our lives, but did you know it also shapes the dynamics between romantic partners? That's right. Financial compatibility is crucial for long-term relationship success, impacting emotional well-being and bond stability. In this video, we'll explore the various challenges and opportunities that arise when managing money as a couple, and we'll share some strategies to foster a healthy financial partnership. So let's get started. Understanding each other. First of all, understanding each other's individual financial habits is essential for successful financial management. Our attitudes towards money vary due to diverse factors like upbringing, experiences, and culture. Some individuals prioritize saving, while others prefer spontaneous spending, seeking immediate gratification. These differences offer opportunities for finding common ground and compromise. Through open communication and empathy, we can bridge the gaps between our financial preferences and work towards shared financial goals. Respect for each other's perspectives and a willingness to adapt can lead to a balanced approach that accommodates both saving and occasional splurges. Acknowledging these distinct financial habits and embracing collaboration, we foster healthier relationships and pave the way for a more stable financial future. Communication. Next up, effective communication is essential for successful relationships, particularly in financial matters. Ignoring discussions about money can lead to unresolved problems later on. It is crucial to engage in open and non-judgmental conversations about financial goals, income, expenses, and debts. Everyone has their own beliefs and attitudes towards money. Some people are savers while others are spenders. Being transparent with each other, trust and accountability are nurtured between partners. This foundation of trust allows for better decision-making, joint financial planning, and the ability to tackle challenges as a team. It also minimizes misunderstandings and prevents financial secrets from causing conflicts in the relationship. Before moving on, let me ask a question. Have you ever had a money-related disagreement with your partner that turned out to be a blessing in disguise for your relationship? Share your story in the comments below. Financial infidelity and trust. Coming to financial infidelity, which involves hiding financial decisions or activities from a partner, can severely damage a relationship's trust and stability. To maintain a healthy financial partnership, honesty and transparency are crucial. Couples should agree on a threshold for discussing significant expenses. This threshold could be an amount that, when exceeded, requires both partners to consult each other before making the purchase. This ensures that major financial decisions are made jointly, fostering a sense of mutual respect and consideration. Setting personal spending budgets is essential to promote financial responsibility and prevent overspending. Each partner should have a designated amount of money they can spend freely without needing approval from the other. This allows for a degree of independence while still maintaining accountability within the relationship. Financial trust is paramount in a relationship. Shared financial goals. Our next challenge is that shared financial goals can significantly enhance a relationship by fostering a sense of unity and cooperation. When partners collaborate on common objectives such as saving for a house, building an emergency fund, or paying off debts, it strengthens their bond and reinforces their commitment to each other. The process of jointly planning and making financial decisions instills trust, communication, and understanding, which are vital aspects of a healthy relationship. Achieving these goals requires compromise and shared responsibility, leading to a deeper level of emotional connection and mutual support. Celebrating milestones together along the way can further strengthen the couple's sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. Pooling finances or individual account. Pooling finances versus maintaining individual accounts is a contentious issue, with no definitive solution as it hinges on individual preferences. Combining finances in a shared account can foster openness and facilitate streamlined financial management, enabling both partners to monitor and contribute to shared expenses effectively. This approach can also enhance trust and teamwork in handling money matters. On the other hand, opting for separate accounts grants each partner financial independence, permitting them to manage personal expenses without constant scrutiny. It can promote a sense of autonomy and self-reliance in financial matters. Ultimately, the best approach varies based on a couple's communication, trust, and financial goals. Some couples find a middle ground, maintaining joint accounts for shared expenses while having individual accounts for personal spending. Open discussions and compromise are key to determining the most suitable arrangement for both parties. Financial disparities. Let's shed some light on financial disparities, which can create significant challenges in a relationship, and addressing them with empathy and understanding is crucial. Instead of focusing solely on income, it's important to recognize each partner's overall contributions to the relationship. This includes non-financial aspects such as emotional support, household responsibilities, and personal sacrifices. Acknowledging these holistic contributions, power imbalances can be avoided. Handling expenses in a fair manner based on each partner's income can promote a sense of balance and prevent resentment. This could involve proportionally dividing shared expenses or contributing to a joint account based on individual earnings. Open communication about financial concerns and aspirations is also vital to ensure both partners feel heard and respected. Fostering a culture of fairness and understanding can lead to a stronger, more equitable relationship. Debt and financial stress. Understanding debt and financial stress is vital because it can put a strain on any relationship. To overcome this challenge, it is essential for partners to collaborate and create a joint plan to address the debt effectively. Working together, they can pool their resources, knowledge, and ideas, making it easier to find solutions and alleviate the burden. Communication is key. Openly discussing the financial situation and concerns can foster understanding and empathy. It's vital to support each other emotionally during difficult times, as stress can take a toll on mental well-being. You're not alone. You're a team, and facing financial challenges together will strengthen the bond and lead to a more resilient relationship. Confronting debt as a united front, couples can pave the way for a healthier financial future and a stronger connection. Gender and societal expectations. Gender and societal expectations is our next challenge that has long played a significant role in shaping individuals' approach to finances. Historically, traditional gender roles have assigned specific financial responsibilities to men and women, perpetuating the notion that men should be the primary breadwinners and decision-makers while women are expected to manage household expenses. These ingrained norms have influenced financial behavior, often leading to unequal financial burdens and limited opportunities for personal growth and empowerment. It is essential to break free from these outdated norms and challenge gender-based financial stereotypes. Instead of adhering to predefined roles, couples should base their financial decisions on each partner's strengths, skills, and individual circumstances. Both partners should actively participate in financial planning, taking into account their respective incomes, financial knowledge, and career aspirations. This approach fosters collaboration, transparency, and mutual understanding, promoting a healthier and more balanced financial dynamic within the relationship. Challenging traditional gender-based expectations and embracing an inclusive and equitable financial approach, couples can achieve greater financial stability, equality, and overall well-being. Moreover, it allows individuals to break free from restrictive gender roles, enabling personal and financial growth for both partners and contributing to a more progressive and egalitarian society. Long-term financial planning. And finally, the most important one, as your relationship evolves and deepens, it becomes crucial to engage in long-term financial planning. This involves considering various aspects like saving for retirement, planning for your children's education, and estate planning as a couple. These elements play a pivotal role in securing your financial future and ensuring your family's well-being. Retirement planning is essential to build a nest egg that will support you both during your golden years. Starting early and making regular contributions to retirement accounts can help maximize your savings potential and take advantage of compounding interest. Planning for your children's education is another critical aspect. College expenses can be substantial, so starting a dedicated education fund early can ease the financial burden when the time comes for them to pursue higher education. Estate planning involves creating a comprehensive plan for the distribution of your assets after you pass away. This ensures that your loved ones are taken care of and that your wishes are respected. To navigate these complex financial areas, it is beneficial to seek advice from a financial advisor. A qualified professional can help you assess your current financial situation, set realistic goals, and develop a tailored plan to achieve them. Together with a financial advisor, you can confidently tackle the challenges and uncertainties that lie ahead, securing a stable and prosperous future for both of you and your family. That's all for today's video. Fostering a healthy financial partnership requires patience, communication, and a commitment to shared goals. By addressing challenges together and planning for the future, your emotional bond will grow stronger, leading to a more resilient and fulfilling relationship. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.